Thank you guys for joining me here on First Class Cook. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I have a special recipe, all right, from Jamaica. All right, you know that our Jamaicans got the best recipes ever. Now this is Escovitch fish, and it is so bomb, guys. You really want to try this. Alright guys, so you're going to go ahead and wash your fish, okay, thoroughly. You're going to bake it on 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, okay. Make some incisions through the fish so that when you season it, the seasoning can literally penetrate into the fish, guys. Alright guys, so that was a quarter cup of white vinegar that I just added along with half a cup of water. I'm adding black pepper seeds as well as coriander seeds, guys. I also added scotch peppers. You might want to be a little careful when adding scotch peppers. If you don't like a lot of heat, you could add half of the scotch peppers. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my delicious carrots. Oh gosh, look at how beautiful these carrots are. I've literally used my shredder and shredded the carrots, guys. And added this onto the mix, guys. I'm just gonna stir this up for about just 3 minutes, guys, just to bring everything together, and just cook this for 5 more minutes, guys. And then it's really done, guys. This doesn't take but 15 minutes to put everything together.